Hello everyone, and welcome to another tutorial. Today, I'm excited to guide you through creating your first blog and utilizing it on your funnels and websites. So, let's get started. Firstly, you should be logged into your account and at the location where you plan to publish your blog. Navigate to the Sites section and click on Blogs. Once there, click on New Post, where you'll be asked to input the title and add a cover image. For your cover image, make sure you've uploaded it beforehand to your media files. As an example, we'll title our blog, How to Move On from a Heartbreak. Your alternate text will be something like, How to Move On, and you'll also need to write a post description. Remember, this should be a concise overview of the blog, around 100-250 characters, giving readers an idea of the blog's main content. Once you've done that, hit Create Post. You'll then be taken to a page where you can edit your blog. Here you can add images, videos, lists, and an introduction. When you're satisfied, click Save. You can also insert audio clips, video snippets, quotes, and even emojis. Once the blog content is ready, click Continue. It will prompt you to select a category. If you've already created categories, select the most appropriate one from the drop-down. If not, click on Add New Category. You'll also add relevant keywords and select the author from a drop-down or Add New Author. When it comes to blog status, you can save it as a draft if you wish to work on it later. Choose Publish to make it live immediately, or Schedule and Publish to set a future date for publishing. In our case, we'll publish it right away. Now that the blog post is created, head to Funnels. Select the funnel where you want the blog post displayed and click Edit Page. Add a new element, or if you have the blog element already, select that. If you're unsure, click on the plus sign to add an element, either a blog post list or a category navigation. Under Block Settings, choose the blog type and the categories you want to display. Set how many blog posts you want to show under Pagination, and hit Save. And there you go. Preview the page and you'll see your blog posts beautifully displayed. To use the blog on a website, simply add the blog element and follow the same settings. That's it, really. That's how you create a blog and use it on your funnels and websites. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Have an amazing rest of your day.